I used to think that research meant understanding the current knowledge of a topic thoroughly using scientific methods. But no, this is not enough. Research is a creative activity that necessarily contributes to the current knowledge. That is the reason why the identification of a gap in the current literature is at the core of a research proposal. If you are applying for a research project, you have to convince others that you are not just reiterating the opinion of other experts, but filling a gap and producing new knowledge. Stay with me. Hi, this is Amini. In this module, I will define research, describe a research proposal, and then at the end, I will talk about the structure of this document. According to Myers, research is a creative activity leading to the production of new knowledge. The knowledge is new in a sense that the facts, interpretations, or theories are used in a way which is unique in that specific discipline. What does it mean? Let me make an example of my own research. My research topic is China's foreign policy expansion towards Central Asia after 2001. When I reviewed literature, I noticed that experts are talking about the geopolitical game in Central Asia and using realism to explain the situation. They are not talking about the cooperation among China, Russia, the Central Asian countries, and the West for development and the fight against terrorism in this region. This is the gap. I thought maybe by focusing on this collaboration and using liberalism to explain the situation, I might have different findings and contribute to the current knowledge. A research proposal is a document for providing an overview of your research project. Since you want to produce new knowledge, according to Krathwohl, this document has to have an extensive literature review to cover the previous works and show that there is a gap to be filled. It has to have a methodology to show how you are going to fill this gap, and then at the end, it has to have a statement to talk about outcomes and benefits of your research. Let's review what we've learned so far. You've learned that research is a creative activity leading to the production of new knowledge. And a research proposal is a document for providing an overview of it. This means in your research proposal, you have to show that there is a gap in the current literature and you know the right methodology to fill this gap and produce new knowledge. For sure, other parts are necessary to present your work better. Thank you very much for your time. In my next video, I will talk about the steps to develop a research proposal. I will talk about each main part of a research proposal in more detail, and then I will start a course on international relations. Thank you very much. Goodbye.